Hi friends, welcome to the Business Studies class. Today, in this module, we are going to learn about the important features of business environment. Business environment is the sum total of all individuals, institutions, and other forces that lie outside the control of a business organization, but that may affect its working. Business environment includes a variety of forces like investors, suppliers, competitors, and customers. These forces influences organizational working directly. However, these forces operate within a broader context of a country which is indicated by its economic, social, technological, political, and legal environment. For example, nature of competition in a business segment which affects a business organization directly is shaped by these five factors. The important features of business environment are totality of external forces, specific and general forces, interrelatedness, dynamic, uncertainty, complexity, and relative concept. In this module, we are going to learn about the balanced two features. They are complexity and relative concept. Now we are going to study the important feature of business environment, that is complexity. There is a very high degree of complexity in contemporary business environment. This complexity emerges because of two factors. They are diverse characteristics of various business environmental factors and their non uniform changes. Therefore, analysis of business environment becomes quite a difficult work. For example, increase in the excise duty of petroleum products will not only increase in the price of these products such as petrol, diesel, LPG gas, etc., but also the price of other factors inputs due to increase in the transportation cost, etc. Business environment is a complex phenomena that is relatively easier to understand in parts but difficult to grasp in its totality. For example, it may be very difficult to know the relative impact of social, economical, political, technological, and legal factors on change in demand of a product in the market. Next important feature of business environment is relativity. Business environment is a relative concept since it differs from country to country and even region to region. For example, political conditions in USA differ from those political conditions in India or China. Similarly, demand for saris may be fairly high in India, whereas it may be almost non existent in France. Business environment is a relative concept. Because of this relativity, it differs from one country to another, from one region to another within the same country, or even a period of time within the same country. A business organization works within the context of its business environment and interacts with it continuously for taking various inputs, that is men, material, energy, information, etc., and giving outputs, that is goods and services, to business environment, that is customers. Effectiveness of the process of taking inputs and giving outputs depend on the degree to which the organization is able to meet requirements of business environment. It implies that business environment is quite important for an organization. Therefore, managers have to understand business environment properly for managing the organization effectively. Totality of external forces, specific or general forces, interrelatedness, dynamic, uncertainty, complexity, and relative concept. These are the important features of business environment. Thank you.